Why would you want to go to York University in Canada or Harvard University in the United States to learn Jamaican patois when you can learn it right here? Just subscribe to my channel where every week I do a commentary in patois. Then I give you an overview with English. Follow me with my book called Talk Jamaican, which is available on Amazon.com. And soon you will be able to chat like a me. Have a wonderful day.
Me say, is he playing America, eh? Me a chat about the gun business over there. Lord Master man a walk with said long gun. Like I say, a war them a go. And them a shot down people like I say a blackboard. A some white man a do it, you know. Me not say plenty all white man because some white people who support the black people them shot them down same way. But guess what? The boy the other day in a one place no go drive. The young boy now the boy just 17 see demonstration for Black Lives Matter and go driving car over there and kill 2 men. And you know say they get away with it. Talk about the man them attack him. Then if the man them see him a walk around with black big old long gun like him a look for somebody for shot, then I must try to take it from him. No, master. But from you did look for that judge there, you know. You did know say that him like what the boy do. Enough people like what him do, you know, all the Republican them a come out and say a good thing the boy do and more people must walk around with long gun. And if people just demonstrate and stand up for them right about anything, you must shot them. Yeah, man, all them things are going on in America. You know, every time you hear Jamaica people them chat about American must stop saying going to Jamaica. Me have to laugh because the American them believes everybody must have gun. Well, I know everybody in America believe it. But enough people believe it and for them laugh, say if you want a gun, you can buy it at a shop like a Chinese shop. Like how you go buy flour. And you have right to walk up and down. Then gun they belong in a war, you know. But master, plenty of the white people in America, them are declare war upon black people right now. Them things say America are only for white people. And any chance then get them a go kill off the black people. So why all me know what happen up there no good at all. And unless they get to change the law the way man can walk around with long gun and just shot people as they like her. If black people do that, you know, they shoot them down right away, you know. And then carry them go jail. But then had them white man, the boy, and they had them white judge and then jury to set up everything. So they might use black people for target practice. Also, he slip up there. And America now go stop make them send gun come to Jamaica because America love sell gun and enough people up there love gun. So if at that Jamaica depend on to solve for murder problem, we can go think again. How foolishness that. In the previous section, I was talking about the madness that is happening in America, as was demonstrated in the recent case where this young boy, 17 years old, just marched into a Black Lives Matter demonstration, and when he had a AR-15, which is a gun that belongs in war, and when people tried to take it away from him, he killed 2 men and injured another. He was charged and the jury let him go. You know, just watching the trial, I could tell you he would get away because the judge was so biased. You could see that the judge supported what he did. And the Republicans have been celebrating him getting away with it because the Republicans, not all of them, but most Republicans believe that America belongs to the white people and they should shoot anybody who is not white, blue-eyed, you know. And they are also supporting this thing about everybody being able to walk around with a gun. A lot of the guns that you see the people with, they belong in war. They are not to protect themselves. The AR-15, a very dangerous weapon. You know, Jamaica often complains that we have a proliferation of guns in Jamaica because the United States is not preventing the export. But in America, they believe everybody should have a gun. Should be easily available at a supermarket if you follow the reasoning from some people. So there is no way they are going to help us deal with our murder problem by restricting the exportation of guns. That's just not the American way. They believe that everybody, except black people, should be able to walk around with guns and shoot everybody like in the cowboy days. It's very, very sad.